another vlog!
I'm having a date tonight. Me and Mr. Max is going to eat dinner. No? Hi guys! I'm going to have dinner with Mr. Max. We're going to eat dinner at Soju. We're going to try this Korean restaurant here in our area.
Yeah.
And we will see if they serve good food or not. We've been here once and we're just coming back. Yeah. Nice place. Say hello, Mr. Max.
Hi.
Daddy. We're just in Soju. We're going to try this Korean restaurant here in our place, so we'll let you know later because we are craving for Bibimbap. That I'm just craving to eat something different. So luckily Mr. Max is available, so he's accompanying me to eat in a Korean restaurant. Daddy, what are you going to eat tonight?
I'm going to eat beef bulgogi. Bulgogi.
Yeah, that's actually the beef bibimbap, right?
Yeah, it's a bibimbap.
Okay, let's enjoy dinner. Guys, look at this table. This is how they set the table here in case you want to cook your own food. So here, look at this. They've got their just like show you what kind of table they're using. So look at this. See? You've got something here that you can use for cooking, and you've got your utensils here. It's nice, isn't it? There you are. last spoon. Ayan po. It shows how hungry I am. And even the soup is finished. Mags, is it good?
Yeah, good.
You enjoyed it? Look at his plate. Ayan po ang mga plato namin. Empty. So, masarap po yung pagkain nila. And not very costly. Okay na din yung price. Brad, no?
And it's not oily.
Hindi siya oily. And may combination na siya ng beef, vegetables, and they also have choices of chicken, pork, or purely vegetables or seafood. So it's up to you. Kayo po mag-choose kung ano gusto niyo. We chose beef. Kaya masarap po yung namin. And Mr. Mads ordered beer. So the name of the beer is Cass. It's 4.5% alcohol content. Sabi ni Mr. Mags said that it tastes quite strong, but actually the alcohol content is just the same as the other beer in this country. Yeah? Got it? Yeah? So guys, we enjoyed our dinner. So again, we are in Soju. It's a Korean restaurant. Okay, so I just paid our bill for the 2 bibimbap plus the kimchi soup and Mr. Mag's beer. It cost us 38.50 pounds. Not bad. We enjoyed it. So yes, it's 38.50. 38.50 pounds for the bibimbap, 2 bibimbap, 1 kimchi soup, and 1 beer for Mr. Mags. Nag-enjoy ka, Mags? Ha? Masarap, no? Nice dinner? Of course, it's nicer because I am with you. Sus. Oh, tinito.
Lamig na naman sa labas nito.
Tini magbita.
Lamig.
Next time we're going to drink there, oh.
What is that? Ice cream?
It's the, cocktail,
Yeah, sometimes
what's this?
once in a while.
Cocktail company. It's cocktail company.
Look around with the beauty
Kasi hindi tayo lumalabas sa gabi.
red in town.
Dito tayo kasi malamig. Malamig po, malamig. Pero, kayang-kaya ng powers. Kasi busog ang mga tiyan. We are busog. Busog. In Tagalog, busog. In English, we're full. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed joining us for our dinner tonight. So yes, we really enjoyed eating in the Korean restaurant. So guys, yes, the name of the Korean restaurant is Soju, and not very costly. The food is good, a lot of choices, and you can also do barbecue there, Korean barbecue. So magkano yung Korean barbecue na chinek natin? 38 pounds ang Korean barbecue nila. So marami kang choices. Sige po, good night and thank you for joining us. Bye!